All right, Joe, I've got some video here going on. Why don't you show us what we got here?
Well, we should change the crane. It's got to be on one.
This is our new Heljan crane.
We hope.
We hope.
Well, it's got a mind of its own, man.
Joe is attempting to unload the cargo area there.
Well, I got a Tootsie Roll in my hand.
Oh, you got a Tootsie Roll in your hand. Okay. This is going to... Let's see how good Joe is at loading it on that semi over there. This is our new toy here. Nice, Joe. Nice job. As we put extra pressure as we bring a train through while Joe's trying to do the... Here at the open house today, we're having a lot of fun. All right. Joe is unloading containers here. We're looking forward to getting this thing going. This thing is what was out of production for like 3 years?
Yes.
So we were lucky to get it at a train show, and we're setting this for our container area. It's really neat how it works. Joe lining it up. There you go. That is fantastic.
Which way do you want the doors? To the face and the back, okay? We'll put the doors facing the back.
It's our new toy up here. The Grand Strand Model Railroad Club in Myrtle Beach. We're having an open house today. A little bit there.
A little crooked.
There you go. With the Heljan Container Terminal.
Lunchtime.
There you go. That's very cool. All right. Thanks, Joe. Joe Corstetti, everyone. Smile, Joe. All right. Good job.